If you've inherited a property in Upper Arlington, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Upper Arlington, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years now, we've been buying inherited properties from people right here in Upper Arlington, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us really is we're going to keep it simple. Whenever you're dealing with some type of inheritance type of situation or probate, there could be attorneys involved, there could be paperwork and courts and things like that. The last thing you need is more complexity and things to be more confusing. We're here to keep it simple. And one of the main ways that we keep it simple is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't have to do any work to the property whatsoever for us to close. You don't have to fix anything up or clean anything or haul anything away. In fact, the conversation is very simple. When you contact us, we're going to tell you, take anything that you want out of the property, any family heirlooms or collectibles or belongings, anything, that's all yours. Anything that you just don't want, you can simply leave behind. There's nothing you need to haul away or clean. You don't even need to mow the grass or anything like that. Another reason people like working with us is we're not a traditional buyer. So a traditional buyer is somebody who might be working with a real estate agent and they're working with some type of lender that requires formal appraisals, formal inspections, and then you got to work with, their lender. Hopefully their loan goes through. There's a lot of uncertainty and there's a lot of hoops that need to get jumped through when working with a traditional buyer. We're not a traditional buyer. We're going to close on this property for all cash, and you get to choose the timeline that's best for you. Sometimes people want to close quick or they need to close quick. Since we're not relying on any bank approvals or appraisals or anything like that, we could close extremely quickly if that's what you need. Other people need more flexibility. For instance, they might need something to happen outside of this situation before they can close. Whatever the case may be, if you need speed or flexibility, since we're a real cash buyer, we're able to make it happen for you. Sometimes when dealing with these traditional buyers, not only do you got to expect some hoops to jump through, but it could be expensive as well because there are commissions involved. With us, there's never going to be any commissions or hidden fees or a hidden agenda or anything like that. Just full transparency, full clarity from start to finish. So if you've inherited a property in Upper Arlington, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a house in Upper Arlington, then pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And the conversation is going to be very simple, very clear, very transparent. We're going to make you a cash offer on the property. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's perfectly fine. We can shake hands and part as friends, and at least now you know what your options are. So, once again, if you've inherited a property in Upper Arlington or you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in UA, you can pick up the phone and call us at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.